Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll do georeferencing in new version of QGIS, that is 3.3 or more than greater version. So for the georeferencing we should go layer, add raster layer, because we are going to here georeferencing a raster image. So add raster layer, then click on three dot, select, this is my today's activity raster image. So if I zoom it, then I can see the latitude and longitude. Okay, and just click here and click on zoom to layer. Now you can see here, if I move my cursor point, you can see the coordinate value 2932 minus 4356. So this is coordinate showing here, but this is not a, because it is not a georeference map, that is why showing the error coordinate, that means latitude and longitude. Okay, so when we georeference this map, then it will show the actual coordinate according to this map. So for the georeferencing, again I will go layer, and you can see georeferencer, and some of you will get it within the raster. Okay, within this raster you can see the one line column, that is georeferencing, and you can click there. For my case it is in layer georeferencer. So again go to file, open raster image, and search your folder, and my file is located within the desktop georeference code.png. Open. Okay, so this is my map. I want to georeference this raster image. Now I want to show you some things related to the setting. So this is a play button, start georeferencing, it is the last stage. Then transformation setting, here I will do the where I want to save the georeference image and the projection system. And then these three are the important. First one is add GCP point, second one is the delete GCP point, third one is the move to GCP point. What is the full form of GCP? Ground control point. So first one is the add point. So if I zoom it, then I can see the cross line. So you should zoom maximum length. So after that, just click from your mouse the left click, and you can see here the entire map coordinates. Okay, and after then, if I use my mouse, then I can zoom out, and you can see the latitude as well as longitude. So this is the longitude value, this is the latitude value, and you can see here x and east, y means north. So east means this is the longitude value, so simply write here 89 according to the value which are showing in our screen, and the latitude value is 26 degree 30 minutes. So write 26, given space, then write 30. Now you can see here, this is the projection system. If I click the drop down, we can see here WGS 1984. This is the geographic coordinate system, and similarly is projected coordinate system, as well as the you can see the projected coordinate system UTM. So I'll go with the WGS 1984. So this is a geographic coordinate system. Click here, then click on OK. So first GCP point I have already taken. Then go to again zoom it, just click on zoom out according by the help of your mouse scroll. Then right here 89 space 30 and 26 30. Okay, then you can see here WGS 1984 is a geographic coordinate system. Click OK. Here I want to mention you that when you are going to the georeferencing any map, you should go in clockwise GCP point collection. Okay, so first point I taken here, then this, then now here, and this. So you should go clockwise. Okay, so my third point will take from this area. Okay, this one. So zoom, then again click here, then zoom out. You can see, we can see the degree and minute. latitude and longitude. So our longitude value is 8930 and the latitude value is 26. Okay, then click on OK, and this is the third GC point. Just zoom it, click and zoom out. You can see the latitude and longitude value. Longitude value is 89 and latitude value is also 26, and the W is 1984. Then OK. So now we can see the residual 0.1, 0.1, then 1.4, 1.4. If the residual value is less than 1, it actually showing the more accurate image, and if the value is more than 1, it's showing the some error is there. So it can be happen on the basis of your GC point collection or selection of GC point. On the other hand, it may be caused due to the some error latitude and longitude of the raster image. Okay, so whatever is that, you should always think that, you should always remember that residual should be less than 1. So after collecting this 4 GC point, I will go the transformation setting. Okay, and here the target CRS, it should be 4326 because I selecting the geographic coordinate system. That is why I select also here W is 1984. Then output file, click on this 3 dot and it should be in georeference according to your suitable the folder location, and you can see here automatically the file name will come as a modified. I will go with this, then click on save. Nothing, everything is okay for the practice purpose. Okay, then click OK. Then last one, the click on this start georeferencing, and you can see the georeferencing process 100% complete, and you can discard everything. Now modified georeferencing image will come here. Okay, you can see here modified. Then uncheck this one, click here, zoom to layer. Okay, now if you can see here, if I moving my cursor, you can see the coordinate. So you can see here. Okay, if I zoom it, it will be more reliable and suitable to verify our image. So you can see here, this is 8930 and this is 26. Okay, and this is the coordinate system. So if I go like this area, and you can see here my coordinates showing 26. Okay, and the longitude showing the exactly 89.45, that means 89.30 degrees. So my georeferencing already done accurately. Okay, not only that, I can also check by other way also. For example, GIS, go to base map, and you can go here Google satellite. Okay, it will take time because it requires the internet connection to open the Google satellite image. Okay, and also you can go base map, Google map also, and you can also collect the history map and other maps and select the history National Geographic. Okay, you can see here, and this is our QGIS. Again, go to here, go to properties, and from the transparency you can reduce the transparency, apply and OK. Now you can see here, if I uncheck, then you can see the boundary of the areas of our georeference image area QGIS. So now you can see here it is my georeference image more or less overlapped with the actual the map of their study area. Okay, so uncheck this, click here, zoom to layer, then I can go to properties. From the transparency, you can increase 100% transparency, apply and OK. So now our map already has a georeferencing with a geographical coordinate system, and we can do the further activity from this georeferencing image. So thank you for watching and keep subscribe my channel for more video and more